In a space where Kwaito once gave a voice to the streets, where stories of survival, identity, and hustle were carried by legends like Zola 7 and Mandoza. A new voice is rising, not from the industry, but from Estubeni. This is Meili Malindi, an artist who moves between Kwaito and hip hop. Her sound is rooted in the streets, but her perspective is her own. Through every verse, every hook, she's not just making music, she's claiming space in culture that never fully made room for women.
First instrument is your voice. They sing it like I'm a house, dear foster. That foster your there was ezinye instruments esecaleni because uthi like banginga-add rap because instruments and then I would get in, now I would get booked with theaters instead of
like considering it.
Jifumile, so I'm considering it. Send rehearse. Yeah, so my live band.
Hey, Chata.
And then the mentor and that is places, form out is places. Legend, yeah. Oh, wow. Theaters, good man, theaters was a sectorist.
Yeah.
Imagine, basic rap go hard. It's so
that would be dope, actually.
I like being different and I like getting money also.
Yeah.
So, straight. Hey guys, Meili Malindi, and I just want to keep repeating it. I dropped EP. It's where young EP is out everywhere.
Tell them.
Everywhere. Apple Music, Spotify, everywhere, man. It's there. Yeah.
Why did you call it Yonke? Kufuna Yonke into?
Yonke translates to everything.
Yeah.
I do every sound. As well, when take a theater home, everything, and it's limited to Yonke, everything.
So we tell about kule ndawo esisanokuqitha kuyo kanye.
No, ndibona ngokuba ithengisa ngoma ngezulu. But yeah.
But did you grow up like us okanye like kule beniqale nadibana nayo ku like 7 what?
So he called 7100. But then I was born and raised up in Fulani, which is daily I guess West Manapur. But because of Stratos
Wakulela phakathi kwesa
yeah.
So like what are like some of your memories on that like ngesa strat?
Is it dope?
Cool.
Is it dope? Oh, I would say go and shoot a video, music video, we meet down, then as I get to prove me why. But yeah, I should have put strategy. So that's a good memory. But I'm going a good thing, like it's wow.
Kaloku mna like ngibona as outside but when I like you obviously have like stories like as nice this bad and I feel like there's always that one thing oyithandayo ngekasi yakho even if like because we all know ikasi akho nice ukuhlala ekasi but then like there's always that one thing like ukwenza like wow we appreciate ikasi yakho. So I think I was asking from that perspective.
Oh, nashe kumnandi kaSlama wallahi.
Yeah. So una firstborn mfana ngibona ukudibana nomntana othi firstborn yakho.
No man, looks lanto uyikhehloko but then one of the kids abanjanayo because like yeah.
How does it feel to have someone who look up to like ekasi yakho?
It's very nice, I won't lie. Because like even when I'm having a bad day, even when I'm it's either outfit for the day or can even post something on the internet or just appreciating na as male or sahlala because now because most banye babo becinga town or orbs because now my internet is very powerful. because of internet. So it's very nice, I won't lie, to experience that every day. Because our the market in the end, like the market on internet, dibana nayo kwalapha eKaSlavo still
So it's like back motivate anyway.
every day.
That's beautiful. So would you say like thousands of music, like when they're like abantu baseka, so it's bigger than like abantu baseka. So like what's your target audience actually?
It is abantu basekazi, but also umuntu who wants to know about ikazi. So I'm not just like boxing about okay, umculo wami just for like abantu basekazi, township people only. No, but also like people from outside, suburbs or Pesha even, who are interested in culture here to and a township also.
And when mamele lenduka I sound yakho ngonsiza apha man but when I'm hearing also quiet, I'm like quiet. Why did you decide to make quiet like as late, especially as late?
Yeah, well, you quite obvious, mas. Yabona nawe uba sokuthi uDembile ukhalisa umculo kaAfrika maskadi. Quite you don't know it. So inspiration I draw it from Payana, but also I wanted to bring back a sound abantu encinga mna bayilibele or they're not paying enough attention to, because umculo evolve like uyakhula like every generation. So I personally grew up ngeKwaito and I love Kwaito, so I was like, why not? So I decided to, and like that's when yakwazi uyenza futhi then ndayithanda nabantu bayayithanda. I was like, okay, let's go.
That's dope. We'll talk about that. Like I wanted us like siqale like actually like apho like ukhulele khona. I got carried away, man. But like I want us like sitting ngemfuleni, so like also like ngokukhulele emfuleni as umade like kunjani ukukhulele like emfuleni. Like if like let's say like ndingumuntu waseJozi and I'm asking you to paint me a scene of like emfula kubakhe indawo enjani, what would you say? Is it welcoming? Is it like abantu bakhona banjani, like bone wonke la way man?
Ngishisa abantu basemfuleni because if I say into ebheke ecaleni uzohlala
It's your honest
apha
opinion ngabantu bakho ngabona every day for
so kazi la kumnandi qha because dlala apha nami ngizothetha into trend lento ngoba xa ngiphinde ngizobuyela apha emfuleni izolala kutoda actually
yakuyika utrend wes uzotrend. I feel like you still usezotrend like ibrand yakho ina
not in a bad way kaloku ndiyike in a bad way ngabantu baseKaSlavo.
So zikhona into ezibad onozithetha ngabo
ngabo no
masithethe ngezezigudi ke like about imfula.
okay. But okay, what I would say Umfula is not very rich in art. We don't have facilities or like organizations the art of Umfuleni. Maybe we used to and they has, but like I didn't experience that. No rich of Umfuleni is Spaza, which is Spaza music, like Manskap, all those people. So yeah, we're not very much woke in the art Umfuleni. That's what I can say.
In terms of music,
yeah, but then in terms like of people, like we are good people, but right. Even a crime, I wouldn't say, but it's that much. I think it's innocent, but then full out, you're getting up. Whatever you wasn't getting up, it means I
mean, you're not so like a name, what?
For my album, usuke khatha kaloko usuke pick up spot, like go right. But then Umfula is a good.
That's dope, man. So like ngobana like unothwana about inspiration to make music apha emfuleni, because like obviously like I'm sure zikhona ezinye artists ezikhoyo apha emfuleni beside you.
But inspire me not
like to do music apha like emfuleni, like abahlala apha emfuleni.
But unknown. Yayinguye like from the get go and inspire wayecula isipaza. Ningoyebaseleka sorry but wayebaseleka konke la uba just umuntu uyarapha naye ufuna urapha. So yayilaa nto sinamba naye istudio sessions sibona iitshomi zakhe yeah, so I would say it's him.
Like akasawenza music anymore.
No.
Damn. So would you say like xa ke kubukela umjita like usenza like music wakho uba inspired okanye like uba proud in a way like
so avuma ndam inspired. I know ndam inspired. So you need pride in his ego in his, but then like I can see that he is proud. Mbona uthanda ucebisa gqithi bama ndayibona le team yakho ne but baningathi bona pha okay, oh so you are paying attention.
Yeah, that's beautiful. So aka suggest mhlawumbe even nandlela obhala ngabo hey
oko like wena uthanda like deep conscious music yabo yeah, so naye nguye umuntu obe like you must write every day ubhale every day so that ungazuribusa italent yakho ungasawundi aka wena siyafana ngento yoba asithanda usawunda kaze ngabanye abantu yabo, so we always be like ungasawundi ngaze ngalamnani ungaculi ngento ezinto ezithentheni yabo, so like i-thoughts zakhe nendlela yami yokucinga ndizidibanise nendiphumele ngokwami noba yonke into ayithetha i-right or yonke into ayithethayo nayimamela obviously nami ndinendlela yami endifuna ukwenza ngayi-art yam, but then izinto azithethayo I listen to them.
Talking about choose like the sound, Joe, how was it for you? Like the process of choosing, okay, this is the sound that I'm gonna stick to.
Yenzekela organically yabo, because I got a beat from a pro, because I was still my recorder yabo, because I record for like months. I was very lazy, I won't lie. So namamela la beat and I was just vibing nje, and la beat I recording on my image like EPM, one of the songs on my EP.
Yeah.
So yeah, then when I pack along oh I can actually do it because it's not that hard. Then I perform one by time, and then from there was go back. So I play na iba yeah go so I genre quite.
So in terms of like the artist is like isn't quite like okay yakubasela
Zola will always be him. But then Zola, then Mshoza, obviously, because Mshoza was like a powerful female artist. Like drinking quite the era, like because now she also has that making aura. Like now, no cast, but then sometimes she's feminine, but at the same time, so Mshoza, no Brown Dash. So it's 3 of them.
Yeah, that's the okay, yeah, like ikwenze like why shape I sound yakho yayilento yiyo Mshoza ne.
Yeah, I studied umculo wakhe kakhulu ngoba bendisenza yonke, so Mshoza.
That's how important is that, like to study like abanye abantu like abenza like the same thing as you.
Okay, so as I said, you know about umculo ya evolve yabo, so even kwamna ndingumntu onjalo, I like to study things before ndizenze, ndingaveske ndenza into ngoba xa ndibuza ndingayazi uba ndenza ntoni, like even i-symbols yoba yintoni endinxibayo, like why siyinxiba le isymbolize ntoni yabo, and I was very conscious ngesirarheni ndingafuni usinxiba. I was like what if sekasinxitywa ngamabhuteri qha. And I remember ndibuza utalent ask manager yam uba kuthini isirarheni, wathi hayi mani mnqwazi mani nawe unganxiba. Yeah, so it's very important to study into ofuna uyenza okanye oyithandayo, so that nam ndizokwazi ukuthatha le nto benzileyo and add my own spices kulaa nto benzayo so that kuphuma umeyili.
Talking about Utalot, I see a relationship in like team yakho, it's so beautiful. Like how did you guys meet?
Okay, so team yam we met 5 years ago. Yeah, I think school span 4 or 5 years ago. That's high school. So and that's
when you were high school.
Yeah.
So high school. I just wanna make sure. Okay.
So I think I was in grade 10 or 11 that time. Yeah. So bona I don't know bona xa besitsho bathi bandibona kwi-internet yabo.
So rapper already that time like.
Yokudala siza guys. Yeah. But then bona ndathiyaziswa ngabo nguPro Child. Yeah, because bebesamanager uPro at that time. Pro like besaqala uba zithomi at that time and wathi ufuna unintroduce to i-team yakhe, growth manager yakhe ne-manager yakhe ne-photographer yakhe. So we all became a team ke ngoku sonke. Sa under le agents i-1. So yeah, we grew and then we sakhula sonke ke ngoku kanjalo.
Naba family. You always mention that because I heard like Utalot now you were saying the same thing, but it's not just management, it's like
it's more than that. It's very personal. Good, I won't lie.
So you guys share everything.
I would say exchange of energies. I don't know, man. Like it was meant to be because song is seen vision one. yabo akakho umuntu ophuma eceleni ngento yakhe and if like umuntu uzoplan i-idea eyi-one uzoba nenye idea okengeza kulaa idea yabo and then we all come together si-expand skills zethu singaziboxi into eyi-one we just work together we work so well together won't lie.
Just to check if xa nobuza uTaloid ngoba ubani crush yakho angayazi
Crush yam
yeah
celebrity crush kanye
just crush
crush mna
angayithetha the same thing naye
ewe
are you sure
you should
Tshela lo mntu
you
wanga.
should know.
Okay, celebrity crush that means unayo xa nombuza angayazi
ayayazi gqibele yazi bas ayayazi
Ne? Okay, so like even if like into ezi-romantic like ngiyathetha ngazo and share mhlawumbe okay no this is not a good guy mhlawumbe wena lena okanye zonke ezawethu that's beautiful.
Yeah, so he even gets mad sometimes by choice yam
Which is
but
a
then-
protective
ewe yeah because yabo yena it's nice to have umuntu ocinga 5 years from now yabo so like wafaka laa nto kumba you're not just doing it for the sake of now or just because you're young you can just do whatever you want yabo 5 years from now you're not just impacting mqa also your team and the sacrifices they've been making for mna ne-brand yabo so even enzini I'm not just doing it for mna but for
the team
yeah.
yo like it's refreshing to ukuva like umuntu othetha kanjalo like ngeteam yakhe especially like suka from an artist
Yeah.
because I feel like abantu aba behind the scenes they put a lot of work but like they don't get
And they
like
do.
the appreciation like for
Yeah.
the enough so I'm just happy to hear okay you appreciate the team yakho
Yo, very biased now. They know.
yeah.
So yeah. However, because for many millions zethu, I feel like yo say blower because we're gonna make another one.
So what first thing are you gonna buy first million ngaqitha sis
First million.
first million yeah
First million.
what are we buying
What are we buying?
where are we celebrating
We need a house mansion.
okay
Yabo, it's team. Yabo, yabo chonga yabo le indlu ye-submarine.
siyithenga phi lo ndlu leyo
Bana uthini usithi
I'm part of the team now.
Ayikhumbule ukuthi
I'm part of the team
but
now.
never reply, yo, we need a car, man. Yo, we need
Yeah.
a car. We need a car. So
Okay.
those are the first things I would
AP
buy.
moto.
I would buy. AP moto. I'm not big on cars, ne?
Yeah.
But then H1.
H1 I thought like uzothetha nge-sport car or something. That means you always think about the business most.
Because
I
we
feel like
gig
imali
is pull up
imoto
and
business le.
gig is pull up and sport car.
That's fair.
Sibanga.
Yeah, that's fair. That's fair. That's smart.
So yeah, and
Smart,
also I
like
can
that.
also rent it out. And like you must also think investment, business.
Yeah.
Ngoba singobani abantu abafuna uqashile la moto for photo shoots or even transportation and all that. So
Yeah, that's smart, man.
Yeah.
So like which means like ujonge like music wakho awujonganga as like music car. It's also like a business like in a way.
it is. I am a business.
Hey, chata. That's dope. That's dope. So in terms of like choose like quiet on in fact like I know like inspiration was all and I'm sure and all that but like I feel like quiet to dominate emails yeah so when I like in those ones are like a bit different like and then dominate it, even though like we female.
Okay, so I'm not just doing it quiet or and sound yam is not just 100. It's not 100% quiet. There is rap, beats quiet, which is style some is say hip hop because I am a rapper, so I rap on those quiet beats. That's the different thing about it. And think about you. Phakamisa izandla phezulu ayicule izinto so fika fabajonga sikwada or something like that or in a flow in a metaphors still there's bars and punchlines but it's quiet.
Would you say we preserve a quiet okanye like you're bringing a different element or you're changing it?
Yeah, lento neyithethayo it's not 100% quiet. We are making it more than age yabo, which is we're adding hip hop elements, rap into it. Yeah.
Why ibalulekile quiet oku?
Why ibalulekile kume? Because it's not just music. I feel like people are sleeping on it.
Ne?
Yeah, because it's not just music, it's a culture, it's a movement. it's the dress codes, it's ixesha layo laqala ngayo, because people during ikwaito like era, they were doing umculo about freedom, ngoku be oppressed that time. So like it's umculo nika mani hope ojayivisa abantu also. So it was the one time where abantu, because udibana eslotini kanye etavern bonwabe, because it was apartheid era at that time. So that's what it symbolizes also nangoku. Ayikho apartheid ngoku, but there is other challenges this is experience as an artist. So I'm gonna use that music to make people laugh and feel better.
You are already doing it.
Yeah?
You are already doing it.
Nice. That's my goal. That's my goal.
And then like ithathe ixesha elingakanani ukwenza la project yakho uyonke?
Uyonke.
Yeah.
So Uyonke,
what are you hoping for people to like xa bemamela ngase like bafumane ntoni?
Okay, so Uyonke EP took me 2 years to finish everything, to submit and to drop. 2 years. Yeah, well, 2 years. I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why.
Why? I wanna know.
So the project is my first one, and then I wanted it to be perfect. Yeah, but to the point where being a community bandi anymore. Yeah, but then it's not just about. It was not just about production. Production, you need to get ingoma zakho kudala, won't lie. Sarecorda sasigqiba, but then into bisokolise is the features, because the khona verses ngekhoyo particular EPS suppose pa. It's either I'm just delayer or having a problem with the studio, because now I had this vision and the idea and I found it exactly because I couldn't just choose any feature or any person for banging a project. I had specific people. So Clay project, I don't know if people notice. I was a Cape Town high artist. I had people from Durban, I have someone from Durban, I had producers from Pretoria,
and guys, so, strategy.
It was a plan. It was a vision that I had. I was like, I'm gonna make it happen, and I did make it happen. Even those verses who didn't make it to the EP, it's not the end of the world. So yeah.
And abantu xa bemamela ufuna bafile kanjani?
You know, nitsho ba like umculo wami or kwaito music, it's not just music, it's movement. So I want them to listen and to feel and relate to each yam, because I'm talking about the male wonke lowa, industry and all of that. So I want them to connect with that project, because it's my first ever project and I was 100% real on that project. So that's how I want them to feel when listening to the project. I feel like I want them to feel bad they're getting to know me. Back with VIP seat in my life.
That's beautiful, man. I was watching any interview, and you mentioned something about you love politics too, and I'm like, politics. That's interesting.
Yeah, it all stems from a high school level, because even my brother is very conscious. Like he's always like question everything. So he was like my mentor for like most of my life. But you must question everything. Then high school again I get debate. Because I couldn't find a spot and was fit in also this excel also. That's why basketball, netball, and last in a minute. I was like, you are and was careful not for me. So I was like, now I have a lot of opinions and questions. Just join the debate. So I joined the debate. Then it was so nice. I have 10 awards, I have 10 medals. I have 10 medals and 5 certificates to debate. So good debate, we debate about a lot of things, social issues, political issues. So so you question everything, the government. Why do you trust the government? Why are we being led by ANC till now? Those type of things. So
I actually have a friend of mine who is also into debate. And before this Apaku, I was telling him, okay, the interview nomeli yabo kanje na kanje. And he was so excited because like Mshitiagwa is also like a big fan.
Yeah.
Like you can tell I'm not smart, Joe. Like
yeah, this
everything I did like she's very smart. Like she can debate. No. So I'm like, excel, like yo, that's dope, man. And who's your favorite like politician?
Who's your favorite politicians? People have favorite politicians. I don't have a favorite politician. No.
I don't have like.
But when I'm that's my lemma. But then I don't. completely like agree with his like all the time. But I would say he's on the right path, Julius Malema. But I don't have a favorite politician because
Why though?
they're all the same. You must be guys. We must be realistic in South Africa. I can't go petty like no one else. I'm not petty like no one. I'm not American.
But like I feel like you are doing something on music work. That's something.
Music,
like, you're changing about through music work. Like,
True.
that's contribution also, yeah, bro.
True.
But like like when it comes to politics now, I feel like you are like it's bad.
Yeah, you are. I'm a high blood, son. High blood pressure. Oh, I keep up my no.
It's bad. This is beautiful. Yeah, you know, record my photo.
Oh, this is okay. Sorry.
It's an photo, and I'm like,
yeah, I was fake.
okay. Again, the Sunday, like I'm sure. Nice.
Can I have a hug? Hi, thank you. You, I can't believe it.
That was beautiful, man. Like, how you feel like I'm like,
Yeah.
Feel like
Alright.
Oh, that was nice, man. Do you see them over okay? Yeah, like I feel like this is your market, like this, like and they are listening, and it's very important, you know, like okay, yeah, which one we because like these are young people, so,
exactly,
like, and they look up to you.
Exactly.
I don't like I feel like it's
I know.
Ne?
Yeah.
I'm always cautious okay, yeah.
I'm conscious about my posting. I think that's why I think like when we chat on the dog about but I don't just do it. Also somebody about go post. I'm chatting pictures. No. I'm going to comment section. Aye.
Yeah.
No. I'm not about that.
Yeah.
So yeah, man.
Is it that's why like ungazenzi kakuli interviews? Because I feel like you don't do a lot of interviews.
It's not up to me. I'm busy.
No ways. I'll be for interviews. No ways.
I think it's because we're mainly neck me project.
I think I'm only intention.
Yeah.
Because the brand Yako, it's very like it's very promising and also like he clean, man. Like I come to know okay, I don't want to talk to this person. I don't understand.
No, but no, you
guys. Can't you smart? Yeah, because also like smart like a bunch of people threatening smart.
Why?
Hey.
We can exchange knowledge today.
Yeah.
We're exchanging knowledge, bro.
Yeah.
I'm learning from you, you're learning from me.
So learning don't go. I can't learn from this side.
Alright, bro. Blue and black.
Hey, Tata. I appreciate that. Okay, let's get back to music, man. We're talking about you.
I'm thinking.
Let's get quiet, man. But okay, let's get politics.
Yeah.
About like kunjani politics as South Africa and how do you feel and all that? You now a favorite politician.
Yeah. But now I will say I'm mostly invested inside the history and African spirituality because I'm very much interested in that.
Yeah, tell me about that. Why?
Why?
Yeah.
Because why not? Why? Because we should question everything, guys. You can't take and just accept it. So it started from religion and questioning religion and just like being curious about it, but also being conscious of other people. But and not to get religions also because no religion is very up and personal. Even me.
So is Zipila Liza?
Ofimba.
Momamni.
Gini.
No, angokhadebe.
Oh.
Wow.
Hayi lethanda uzalana nami ngicabina. Wonke usoloko ezalana nami.
No, angokhadebe ne. Ndingumthembu man, uqhuthembu unjalo bafana yabo. But ke like I know Khatebe ndiyabazi man.
Yeah.
I've got a relationship with Khatebe.
Okay. But ekhaya like ekhaya khulu kusetsoma but then sengukhiwe ecofu ngabo so ngigodela ecofu ngabo.
So like ugoduka every December kanye like ne?
Every December makes if angikwazanga but then I make sure bani yagoduka.
So
Balekile
like life wakho, how does it look like? Like what do you do?
Life wami was so peaceful ezilalini until ngoku nabo they tapped in because abantu basezilalini nangoba basezilalini anymore abantu abasuka eGauteng like Cape Town, mostly Cape Town. So abaninzi bana nabo phanga abantu bashiya apha eKapa fike pha mainly.
So iyayisusa la fun.
So yeah, because ngoku abantu like umntana welali okanye umntana kwaMalindi okwaRhadebe yawo emagqirheni like they're not gonna treat me like that. Bazobana la ba yo hake famous superstar. It's not.
So awusazenzi ke ngoku izinto awuzenza la xa ugodukile.
Yesenza yabona nginxuma iqinifu nje sisebenza ekhaya yonke le nto eziwayo
Yeah. Uyahamba uyokha amanzi uyotheza
thina sinetepu endlini setepu toilet eflashwayo.
It sounds like ukuselendukeni musaba ukuselokishini musaba
Kwakhiwe kaloku which is yabo zoyikisa za toilet zinomngxumela zoyika ngazogqinyo okanye zotshona fa yo.
Someone said like xa ungena kweza toilet like ufuna ungene ngo reverse ufuna ungene
ujonge
yeah.
Ngene wenzela uzoyenza yo mina it takes me time to get used to that. Nangiqala mina ndafuna ujonga mina ba okay qala khondoni qala then othukise kulate
so like uzophinda ugoduke ngona kulonyaka and
yeah ngoJune ke luso ekhaya again bekuselusa ngoDecember ngoJune cousin yami yangena so lesiphala.
Do you take content? Like suppose you take content.
I do. Benithathile ngoku.
Yeah?
Oh yeah, I do take content. Yabantu bothuka ba hayi bomeli uyagoduka nawe ncinga waseKapa bo. Guys, wow. Wow.
Kalo phone xa sinibona nihlale elokishini phone kubanzima like basiphinde siyisuse lana bokhe ya actually usuka from Eastern Cape like ikhaya.
Yo athina ekhaya we're very traditional people, I won't lie. But I believe ukuthatha amandla ezilalini. Uthatha amandla ngokwenu. So yeah.
No believer like emagqirheni naku ancestors.
Uza emagqirheni ekhaya.
Wow.
Actually kuvuka ngo4.
So mama akho ligqirha kanye like
no utamncinci which is father katatami. Notatam naye uyasagcintseni but then ngena buye Christianity ba ke Thixo iBhayibheli.
And then xa unovuka wena kusithoboke yawo ne calling like would you accept it?
It's not up to me. If man gets lo Khatebe, so I have to accept it.
Because hey, that's possible. Also, if like
it is possible because I was ababa babili, so it is possible. It would be possible. But the bawel shema not but the bawel. No.
But do you think it's spiritual like when like as a person?
Very much. I am.
Nah.
I am.
Like why would you think I'm spiritual?
Because I'm conscious about easy. I believe in manifestations. Umlomo uyadala. Zonke lezi zinto. Kanje njengoba uyothatha amandla kukwena elalini.
Yeah.
So it's a broad thing. I like bangathatha ngayo noyeka.
Ne?
Basically. Yeah. I'm very passionate about it. I won't lie.
And do you have like icinga like that you last manifested and then yenzeka like? Tell me about that.
I manifested a distribution deal like for my
Dope.
I manifested it because like in the enye into ecalile ba EP yami iphume that took 2 years lana ba distro kid yes anofuna ubhatala nangu distro ekhupha ingoma nangu ethinthi yabo yasokulisa la but when you get like a distribution deal it lasts like 5 to 10 years yabo so ihliselana ne team yami nayo because business nabayenzayo babhiziyo also awano nike bese benzele into abazenzayo benifuna photo shoot bendifuna uthinthini nike phinde yofine bawenze admin ba okay submit songs because ngarecorda when recording ngomeni but neziphumile ngoma yabo so ibinto naye ibidrain and ibistress leya yabona because abantu dala bafuna umculo but akwazi ukukhopha because khonento
yeah
so
So are you thinking of like ukwenza visuals ke ngoku kanye for yonke?
I do have visuals. I think I like 2 visualizers, 2 music videos, but then so shoot the rest. But I am gonna drop them and announce them soon.
Ne?
So yeah, a lot of visual content this year. Ngitho nabo sebeyibona abantu internet baye andipheli emehlweni nabo. So visual content is important. So
Photo shoots, like
we're
are
doing
you
a-
thinking of photo shoots or
brand collaborations.
Yeah.
Quick photo shoot, not just photo shoot,
yeah?
brand collaborations. If like I'm advertising this certain brand for the photo shoot. Oh, otherwise I love the camera. Shima won't lie. I love taking
Yeah.
pictures and videos and like mostly pictures.
Ne? I will send you some ideas. I actually have some ideas.
Yeah.
Like then we can
Yeah.
we can create something. That's if you're interested also.
For which brand?
I will send you ideas.
Oh,
We'll
Jay.
see. Like,
Okay,
we'll see. I also like always like want to like make sure like content are a picture. Man. It's not just a picture. It's a photograph. It's something that
It's a
like,
story that we're
yeah,
telling.
bro. There's gonna be a story behind, and also I always wanna involve like the brands behind because like the brands like I feel like makes sense when people span on the brands. In a single picture and a cute.
Yeah.
There's to be a story behind. And it brands like this is a story now.
True.
So I'm in conversation with Roji. I don't know if you know that.
See, that's my dog.
Ne?
Eh,
We're actually planning something, man. So
nice. He's very talented.
so what like there's your favorite like brands like that or what's John Gapi Kipchang? Beside the obviously.
Why beside you?
Cause some chill or red.
He's a dope designer, Sheba, won't lie. Futuristic cool.
Yeah.
In this jungle, local or
You know, any, even if it's not local.
okay, the jungle Dickies.
Dickies, ne?
Dickies, you must vase, maybe you must vase. Jungle Dickies and jungle Adidas, jungle Puma, jungle McDonald, also in KC. Also no Strachen.
Tell you what I will do again, because only get idea.
Yeah.
And then was big task is to come up with a concept like behind the keys and your brand, and then we do a shoot. How is that?
It would make a lot of sense.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Are we doing this?
We're doing it.
Yeah, what's the family again?
Yeah, one of us witness. There's a deal. What is it? I'm strong.
Thank you so much, man, for like the podcast. I really appreciate you, and I appreciate you brand out as well. And I feel like it has like a lot of potential, and you are amazing, man. Like, so much.
Thank you. I appreciate about willing now. That speaks a lot because it means they are born a craft or something. So I appreciate that.
Yeah, do you wanna say something, Jay, like for defense?
I don't call them fans.
Oh, sorry, family.
Yeah, family. Family.
You should give them a name.
Ngicacina yazi.
Ne?
Ngicacina. I don't know but zithi zibhoza zami so far. But then Shobafethu Smeli Melini Shai Woman King Semfuleni aka Meli Ibhoza. Okay, message for you guys is do it unsure, do it with no money, do it hurt, do it unhappy, just do it, like just do something towards craft yakho. Ungayeki just because you're going through something or khonenzekayo awunamali yoyenza awuna camera sebenzisa ifone yakho to shoot reels, to shoot visualizers, just use what you have. Just do because khona umuntu obukele somewhere who's impressed with your work, I've seen it kum ngenzeka nakuwe. Sure.
Thank you so much, man. S to win.
Sure.